All right, hello and welcome to Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie and I want to welcome you to this fast, fun, and easy sunset painting. All right, so we are going to get started here and I am going to play. I'm probably not going to talk very much. I might pipe in every once in a while, and if I do, I will come back and talk. Otherwise, enjoy the music. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm not putting this paintbrush into water. I am just wiping out a big chunk of that dark blue because I want to go up and have mostly this light violet showing up here to start off with. And this is the sky. And I'm actually going to start pulling it around. We're going to take some other colors in here. We are going to go ahead and put a white space in here, but first what I want to do, what I need to do first is smooth out a little bit. I need to get this a little bit more consistent. So I'm just taking a Filbert brush. This is just a rounded end. I'm going to go back and forth right here, kind of going out, and I'm just going to go back and forth right here, kind of horizontal. Taking Cadmium Red Deep, and we're going to put some Cadmium Red Deep, and some Cadmium Orange, Cadmium Yellow, all right. Oh, and some titanium white. Let's see if we can make this work, right? So we're going to work back and forth here. is one of those paintings. You can just keep working on it as much as you want. Just get some of that summer sun energy going. Let's see, I think I want a bit more of the Phthalo Blue. And some white. Oops. Oh well, that happened. Look at that. Oh well, we're just going to work that into the sky, into the sun. See? Don't fuss, don't worry. It's okay. I'm bringing some of that dark that was on my brush into this. I'm going to get some blue and white mixed together. Kind of cool down this edge. Maybe some little wavelets and things running through. Break that water up. Grab some of that orange, even though, you know, orange and blue, not necessarily the best of friends. I'm not actually mixing them on my brush. Oh, that's looking pretty. You want your marks to be smaller as they go to the back, or blurred out and less individual mark looking. That's pretty. Okay. There we go. What do you think? Did I fall down the hill over here a little bit? Try and just darken up that horizon line just a smidge. I still want it to look like it's water back there, but you know, sometimes things drift on you a little. All right. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out all my other videos. I've got a ton of them. Go out and do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. And I hope to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.